Hey, it's TaxQuips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from Mark in the TaxQuips Forum, who got denied again. Let me summarize. Mark bought land in March of 2009. He bought a manufactured home in April of 2010 and had the property graded, receiving the occupancy permit by June of 2010. Well before the deadline for the first-time home buyer's credit. After 2 attempts, IRS has denied his credit for the value of the land, saying it was a separate transaction, not part of the home purchase. What can Mark do now? Well, Mark, IRS might well be right about the 2 separate transactions. However, they didn't give you the citation you requested, did they? Why? Because I don't think there is one. Your 2 transactions were totally related. You would not have bought the land except to place the home on it. It sounds as if it's too late to try for tax court. So, you can do what the IRS suggests. File in the U.S. Court of Claims. It's actually not as hard as you might think or expensive. This is like a federal version of small claims court in that you can easily represent yourself. Find the court nearest you. They will have a complete website, even with information about access to some pro bono legal services. The other thing you might consider first, though, is to contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service. They've been very helpful to us in our cases and can bring you faster resolution. However, before you do this, do your own research in the various laws that form the home buyer's credit. If you don't know where to start, I've already dug up all the laws for you in this course, Home Buyer's Credit for Tax Professionals. If you can't find anything about 2 separate transactions, which you won't, find anything you can about the rules of purchase where the information ought to be, but isn't. Print out those parts of the 4 laws or the ones that mention or modify the rules for the purchase and give those to the Taxpayer Advocate Service with your written analysis. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about the home buyer's credit. Where? Where else? At TaxMama.com.